KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really quick, healthy and easy zucchini slice. Alright, let's get on with it. These are the ingredients we're going to need. I'll go through those as we go through the recipe. Okay, alright, so here I've got 1 cup of self-raising flour and I'm adding in a teaspoon of salt and around about a teaspoon of white and a teaspoon of black pepper. Just mix that through that flour, get that flour nicely seasoned, just like I'm doing right there. Right, here I've got 6 eggs. They're a sort of large egg. We're going to whisk those through, just like I'm doing right there, and get all of those incorporated. Here I've got my zucchini, and I'm going to add about 2/3 of that zucchini into a nice big mixing bowl. Alright, just like that. And grating a zucchini, there's no rocket science in that. We're going to add our mix of flour. That is a self-raising flour, of course. We're putting that straight in on top of our zucchini, and using a nice big spoon or a paddle like I am, just mix all of that flour through the zucchini. That flour will stick to the zucchini, and it will take you a little bit of time to incorporate all of this. Just make sure we don't have big clumps of flour sitting in the bottom of the bowl. All right, just mix that through like that. And here I've got a 420 gram can of chickpeas, which I have drained and given a good rinse through, and we're going to incorporate those into our mixture as well. And of course, make sure you spill a chickpea or two, otherwise you are not doing it right. We're going to add in our 6 eggs now. We're just going to keep whisking those as well. Pour that into our mixture, just like that. Nice and easy. Okay, now all we have to do now, a little bit of time is going to be involved in this, in a couple of minutes or so, and we're going to incorporate all that egg mixture into our beautiful little slice mixture like that. Okay, just keep folding that through, just like I'm doing right there. Make sure there's no lumps. We don't really want any lumps, and the whole thing will come together eventually. Alright, here I've got a oven dish, and I've lined that with some Glad Bake or baking paper, and Mrs. KP is now going to pour that all over. And the reason I've got Mrs. KP doing that, if you're not a regular viewer or a subscriber, you might not know I do have multiple sclerosis, and my left hand is incapable of holding something like that. So spread your mixture out nice and even, just like Mrs. KP is doing right there. And we're getting ready for our final stages. My oven is sitting at 180 degrees Celsius already. Now, get the last third of your zucchini and sprinkle that evenly all over the top of our mixture, just like I am doing right there. Okay, nice and simple. Just try and make it nice and even. And if you haven't tried cooking zucchini in the oven before, wow, it is so simple and it is really healthy and tasty. So make sure we get all of that zucchini out, just like I'm doing there. And here I've got around about a cup of tasty cheese, shredded or grated, and we're just going to sprinkle that all over the top. You can add more or less if you wish. In actual fact, I used a little bit more than a cup because I love my toasty cheese. That's going into the oven for around about 25 to 30 minutes or until all of our slice is set. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to let that sit for around about half an hour to 40 minutes. I don't want to eat it piping hot. Now that we've let that cool down a little bit, we just want to eat this warm. We don't want it screaming hot, and we don't exactly want it cold. So I'm just using my barbecue spatula to give that a carve up, and I'm just going to cut that into some nice little pieces so we can serve it up. So nice and simple, nice and easy, just like that. Now Mrs. KP's got a mixed leaf salad already going in the background, and we're going to plate this up. There is our piece of our slice that's going down, and before you know it, Mrs. KP's put down our mixed leaf salad on the side. And how good does that look, and how healthy is it? A little bit vegan or vegetarian. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't like this video, hit that like button. We're trying to get the algorithm happening. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please leave a comment. I love reading and responding to them. Leave a suggestion. I take them seriously and I try and act on them at all times. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make something quite budget, really quick, easy and healthy, just like this one. If you need to come and join the family, my family, hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos. Again, off to it, this mad, healthy, easy, quick zucchini slice, and I will catch you next time. Bye.